Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis X tutorial, how to change image resolution. So we have this example objects, and if you want to change the resolution, you can go to the canvas tools and then click on DPI resize. So we show the option in here. So you can set for the type, you can use pixel or print. So this is for the width, you can change, like I will set into 3000, and then you can set the units, we set into millimeter, and then you can also set for this interpolation, so we use the default bilinear. After it, you can click these check icons to change your image resolution. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis X tutorial, how to change resolution. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.